Okay, so here's another Easter egg for you. This is the tip of the day. All right, it's very, very hot out here. Let's say that you are going to your car and you would love to be able to roll those windows down and not burn your butt when you get inside the hot leather. You may have that feature and you don't even know it. You very well have the ability to roll those windows down and you did not even know it.
Okay, so I randomly grabbed two keys. I got a 2016 Ford Edge and a Lexus RX 350, kind of one end of the spectrum to the other. This is just a base SE cloth, no sunroof. The magic. I'm gonna make sure it's locked. I'm gonna unlock and hold it the second time. Watch what happens. Look at that. No magic tricks, folks. There's no hidden ninja in here hitting the button. They rolled down. Amazing.
All right, here's another random vehicle. This is a, what is this? 2015 Lexus RX 350. All right, there it is. Let's see if it's got the feature. So I'm gonna take the remote, I'm gonna unlock it once. Hold the unlock button down twice and watch what happens. Oh, snap. There goes all the windows. And look, the sunroof is even going back as well. Okay, so you saw two vehicles, a Lexus and a Ford. They don't advertise it, they do that, and most people don't know that. I sold cars, gosh, Nissans in the late 90s. Yes, I'm that old. Even then, a 97 model Nissan Maxima, you could take your key fob, hit the lock button, lock it, and then hit your unlock button. Just hold the unlock button down and see what happens. Your car most likely will roll those windows down. It will not roll them up. You have to crank the car and roll them up. But for the love of God, how awesome is that? You can roll the windows down before you get in the car. Even your older cars, late 90s, give it a shot. You're welcome.